Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be applying some emblem overlays on the 2017 Focus ST. So I bought some overlays that go over the Ford badge, Ford logo right here. I have the overlays for the front, the rear, and the steering wheel. I'm going to be matching the color of the ST badge that I just put on in the last video. So yeah, the front, and then this badge right on the steering wheel, and also the rear badge. So let me go show you what these badges look like. Okay, so let's take a look at these badges. So I went with the carbon fiber gray background with orange gloss lettering. I'm doing that to match the orange gloss ST badges that I just installed in the last video. So this company is Fanatic Wraps in Southern California. These badges were $20, and then I paid $3.99 for the extra steering wheel badge. And then the shipping was about $9, so the whole total was $34. So I would say a little pricey for some overlays, but definitely worth it. I think it's going to look really nice on the car. It also comes with two sets of instructions. So there's a wet install and there's a dry install. I'm going to be going with the dry install just because it seems more straightforward. You just need a spray bottle with some alcohol to clean it up, remove any wax and dirt and stuff, and then dry it up. And then you're going to be putting the overlays on, and then you need a heat gun or a hair dryer to finish up the install. All right, I'm going to pull the car in the garage and then we'll get started. Okay, so I have a bottle of rubbing alcohol, also known as 50/50 isopropyl alcohol. I don't have a spray bottle, but I'm going to use this microfiber and put it in here and then dry it off with the other side. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the front emblem. When you firmly apply this, you should go from the center and push outwards to get all the bubbles and crinkles out. So I haven't put any pressure on you. I wanted to make sure it was pretty lined up and it looks good. If you do mess up, these are pretty forgiving, so you can take them off and try again, but I think I have it pretty good, so here we go. So one thing they recommend is taking, I think they said a razor blade or like a credit card or your fingernail and like crease it around the edge to get the seal to go all the way. I'm gonna go grab a credit card really quick and do that. Be right back. I grabbed a AAA card. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the hairdryer and I'm gonna apply some heat and continue to put more pressure down. Alright, so of course I have an orange hairdryer, keep with the theme. So I'm just gonna apply some heat and apply some pressure. Okay, so I just put the steering wheel one on, so it looks pretty nice. It was the same process as before, super simple. This one was way easier, really small piece, easy to line up and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go and do the back of the car now. Alright, see you guys there. Orange Ford logo, orange ST badge, starting to come together. Alright, so we're all done, overlays are on. So I'm going to check back in when it is daytime so we can get a better look at the color and how it goes with the whole entire car. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, it's daytime now. Let's check out these badges, the overlays. So I'm pretty happy with this color. I really like this carbon fiber background. So I think it matches the front ST badges pretty nicely. It's some nice complements with each other. Let's check out the rear. So here's the rear badge. So I think these go really nice together. All right, let's check out the steering wheel overlay on the inside. All right. So I think these are really nice. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.